Good morning, children. Myself Tandal Alpa, your computer teacher. Today I am going to take a revision of chapter 2, parts of a computer. I hope all are fine, right? And you understand the previous video also. Today what we are going to discuss, parts of computer and homework. First, which is the part of the computer? Keyboard. The computer has four main parts. First, keyboard, monitor, then CPU, then mouse. Which are left now? Printer. Anything left? CD. But the main four parts are keyboard, monitor, mouse, CPU. Let us discuss about keyboard. A keyboard is the most important part of the computer. क्यों ये important part है? Because without this we can't give input in CPU. If we want to enter alphabets, numbers, what we need? A keyboard. So हुआ keyboard is the most important part of a computer, right? Okay. It has number of keys. उन पे बहुत सारी कीज है. देखें, फंक्शन कीज, नंबर कीज, अल्फ़ाबेट की, शिफ्ट की, कंट्रोल की, enter key. So number of keys on it, right children? We enter information and instructions into the computer using the keyboard. कीबोर्ड के द्वारा हम इंफॉर्मेशन एंड इंस्ट्रक्शंस कंप्यूटर में डालते हैं. Next is monitor. Here is the picture of monitor. A monitor looks like a TV screen. It shows the text type and the work done by us. ये whatever we type, we can see on monitor and we can see pictures also. We can see output. Whatever we give as input, we can show as a result on monitor. It looks like a TV screen, right? It also displays the result, right children? What is this, students? CPU. This is our CPU. इसका यूज़ क्या है? कंप्यूटर कहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है? CPU से ही स्टार्ट होता है ना. स्टार्ट बटन कहाँ पे होती है? CPU पे. So CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. ये CPU का फुल फॉर्म है. तो जो CPU हम लिखते हैं वो क्या है? शॉर्ट फॉर्म है. हमेशा याद रखना, ये लॉन्ग वर्ड है इसीलिए उसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म दिया गया है CPU, लेकिन उसका पूरा नाम क्या है? सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट. एंड इट इज़ द ब्रेन ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर. इसको कंप्यूटर का ब्रेन बोला जाता है. इट कंट्रोल्स ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. ये कंप्यूटर के सारे पार्ट्स का कंट्रोल मैनेज करता है, राइट? इट डज ऑल द कैलकुलेशन. सारी कैलकुलेशन कहाँ पे होती है? CPU में. इट डिस्प्ले द रिजल्ट ऑन द मॉनिटर. जो भी रिजल्ट हम मॉनिटर पे देखते हैं वो दिखाने का काम कौन करता है? CPU करता है. इट ऑल्सो स्टोर्स द लॉट्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. वो सारी इंफॉर्मेशन भी स्टोर करता है. Now, time of a mouse. Mouse is a pointing device. A mouse, computer mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on it. It is used to point, move and select any item on the computer screen. कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पर अगर कुछ मूव करना हो, कोई आइटम सेलेक्ट करनी हो तो हम माउस यूज़ करते हैं. It also help us to draw pictures and play games. और हमें वो किस में हेल्प करता है? ड्रॉ करने में. पिक्चर्स हम ड्रॉ करते हैं ना तो माउस से ही हम कर सकते हैं. एंड प्ले गेम्स, गेम खेलने के लिए भी माउस यूज़ होता है. राइट चिल्ड्रन? What is this today's? Printer. This is our printer. A printer prints the information from computer onto a paper. हम जो भी आउटपुट हमको मिलता है वो हम प्रिंट निकाल सकते हैं उसकी. ठीक है. The output printed on a paper is called a hard copy. See children, जो भी as a result we can see on a monitor, that is called soft copy. And after getting for that information on paper, it is called a hard copy. Have a look, different type of printers. Dot matrix printer. Now inkjet printer. Then next will be laser printer. Now the time of all-in-one. Look, Xerox print each and everything in one printer. Now CD. CD stands for compact disc. See, CD किस लिए काम आती है? डेटा स्टोरेज के लिए. Whatever we have worked in computer we can save on CD. And we can store songs, video also on CD. CD stands for compact disc. Now microphone. Microphone is used to record our voice and different sounds into the computer. This means we can insert our voice. Using microphone we can also talk to our friends on the internet. If we want to talk with our friend through internet, so we must have a requirement of microphone. Now exercise time. Answer in one word. You can see many keys on me. And what is this? A keyboard. I saw the result. तो आंसर क्या आएगा? मॉनिटर. I work like a brain. Who is known as the brain of a computer? CPU. You click a button of mine. तो क्लिक करने के लिए हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? माउस. Answer the following in one word. You have to answer these in one word only. Name the main parts of a computer: mouse, CPU, monitor and keyboard. There are 4 main parts of a computer, right children? Now next question. Which part of the computer looks like a TV? TV जैसा कौन दिखता है? Monitor. How many keys are there on a keyboard? There are 104 keys on a keyboard. See children, there are so many keyboard available. Maybe they have more than 104 keys, but a standard keyboard have 104 keys. So answer should be always 104. Next question. Which part of the computer is used to point and select an object? Answer is mouse. Which part of computer is known as the brain of a computer? Which is called the brain of a computer? CPU. Stay at home. Save your life, children. Goodbye. Have a nice day.